Ah! Let's go. Whoa!
Bro.
Step, bro. Hey, you give me my lunch money. Give me my lunch money. Give me my lunch money. Hey, give me my lunch money. Give me my lunch money.
The truck driver we met yesterday.
Yeah.
He didn't get run over because he didn't.
Yeah, and his cousin's gonna be next.
Guys, look.
Where is he? Give me my lunch money. Hey, give me my lunch money. Give me my lunch money.
Give me my lunch money.
Give me my lunch money. Give me my lunch money.
Yeah, that's what you call bad luck.
Give me my lunch money. Give me my lunch money. No, that's not enough. Give me. No, give me.
Lunch money.
That ain't enough. That ain't enough. That ain't enough.
5,000 to 5,000.
Nah, I still want more. I want more. I'm always gonna want more. I'm always gonna want more. No, come here. I'll put you in the. Oh, you'll end up like your cousin. Come on, give me the money. Give me the money. Push him off. Push him off.
Die, fool!
Whoa!
Whoa! That didn't hit me, but that was close to hitting. Give me
Hi.
Wait.
Give me my lunch money. Give me my lunch money.
Here's 10,000.
Yeah! Nah, I still want more. I still want more. I still want more. I'm always gonna want more.
25.
No, I'm always gonna want more. Give me. I'm always gonna want more.
Give me your whole bank account. Give me your whole bank account. 5 billion.
Give me your whole card details. Give me your card details.
Yeah, give me your card
It's not enough.
details.
It's not enough.
Okay, this is getting a bit out of hand.
No, I don't care. I'm getting my money. Give me my. I still want my lunch
Now
money.
let's go fight on the slide.
I want my lunch money. Nice. I need his whole card.
Your whole billion.
I need your whole house. Give me your whole car deals. Give me your whole birthday. Give me your whole favorite pet's first name. Give me your whole car deals. Give it to me.
Give me your favorite cardigan. Guys, I don't want to make you give us the card details. Give me your card details.
Give me some more.
Alright, I'm going to go on the slide.
Okay, me too.
It's on the slide.
Yeah.
So what?
Help! Yeah, so
Yeah, so Sonic basically just got
a
kidnapped.
bully just grabbed me. A bully just grabbed me.
Damn. Wait a minute. Wait, are you the drunk driver's cousin?
Yeah. Man just he got kidnapped. Yeah.
Yo, guys, you want to hear a new song I made? Ready? I have to put my hand up. Kumalala, 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 Sylvester. Kumalala, 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 Sylvester. Oh, no, 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 Sylvester.
Ow! Man's trying to kill me. He's trying to kill me over the...
Yeah, you guys are definitely fine, guys.
Nah, actually. I'm going on a slide. Something give here.
I'm flying, don't ask.
I'm going on a slide. Yeah, I'm just gonna continue watching because the girl's gonna grab me again.
Wait, can't two of us go on at once?
Yep.
Whee! This world is so cruel.
Oh, Shadow, you're so emo.
Look, this world is so cruel. I hate this. Nah, what happened to him?
He died.
I'm coming.
Ow! Why did you do that on purpose? You know what? Please don't kill me. No! No, the guy...
That's from the title.
Shadow
gets kidnapped. That's the title. Shadow gets kidnapped.
Yep. Give me Shadow back. Emo, I got him. No! We're supposed to bully him.
No.
We have to bully him.
Yeah. No, you. I got bullied for having my lunch money too full.
Down. Hi. Some girl keeps on ruining.
I'm fine now. I killed my other brother that kidnapped him.
Yeah, your cousin's dead, by the way.
I know. Actually, no.
We threw him into the road and he got run over. We wasn't expecting that.
No, I don't know him.
What? You don't know your own cousin? That's messed up.
Wait, whoa. Dishan.
No.
We just looked.
Ah!
We just looked the same. What?
I'm the win.
No.
Let me out. Let me out.
I'm gonna jump down. I'm gonna jump down. I'm gonna turn into shadow. I'm gonna turn into shadow.
Make sure to like and subscribe
Yep.
in the next 5 seconds, or you will deserve bad luck for the rest of your life.
Yep.
And hit that bell notification.
Yep.
And like the video.
Yep.
Yep. And comment what was the funniest thing you ever seen.
Yep. Definitely not that fart noise. The part 2.
Yep. Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Bro, did you upload that?
Yeah, I didn't upload the second video.
So that's my video now, guys. So, no.
Now I think of it. Wow. Should we go outside the park and what you call it? Play football.
Yeah,
Sure.
sure. Let's go do it.
All right, let's go.
Lots of grind.
Yo, look at that.
Basketball!
Basketball. Yeah, I'll use you as one of. Okay, let's go.
Give me a ball. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
It's football.
Yeah, football. Playing football for basketball.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell you my progress.
Ready? Got the ball. Give me that.
Slide tackle him.
Nah, give me that shit. Give me that.
No! You kidnapper!
I'm gonna put you in the road again. Wait, again? What?
Oh, the goalkeeper's Jack! Jack is George Boy.
Come on. Come on. Fuck. Go his ass. Get up. Oh, no, Meg. Go. Come here, fool. Yeah. I'm gonna fight you. I'm gonna kill you. Yeah.
Get the red! Send him off the pitch!
Oh, come here. Kill you.
Goes out! No, go!
Oh.
Get him off the pitch.
No.
Penalty.
Do I really have to be off the pitch?
Yes, you're off the pitch.
Fuck.
Penalty?
Yep.
Yeah, Sonic, I'm gonna kick your ass when I'm done with this.
Okay, can yeah. Yeah, so I'm the cameraman that's filming the penalty, so. Whoa! Oh, I'm tired of this. Come here. No, run, he's crazy. He's crazy. Sorry, no! I'm gonna get that penalty for you, bitch. No!
Yeah!
You know what? Screw this ball. I don't care for handballs. Oh no! Shadow, I'm gonna kill you! Okay, you wanna play basketball? Then let's play basketball. Give that ball.
Where you going?
Ooh. I broke my ankles. No, Shadow. Okay, come on, Knuckles. Knuckles, shoot! Okay, I'm on Knuckles' team.
I'm on his team.
Goofy R's team. You're on Goofy R Dog's team. No, Goofy R Dog. He's in the bushes.
Record this.
I am.
Bro, look at this. Bro's literally sleeping on the basketball game. Get out, bro.
You're not supposed to be sleeping on the job, but I'm gonna bully you even more. Take your whole house and kill you, more of your cousins.
Oh, shit.
Oh no, I'm pissed. No.
My channel now.
No. No. Dude, his shoe fell off. The actor of the dog's shoes fell off. Come here, fool. Gonna get your life, beauty. No, come here. Oh, no.
Darkness Nexus is dead. Hello, darkness.
My old friend. Oh no, Shadow! Oh my gosh. God. I'm gonna fall. Oh.
How will you just play basketball?
No, I want to continue fighting. Come here, bitch! Everyone, come here! I'll beat your ass! You see that? Oh, okay, I was about to say the N-word. I can't say that. Since I'm the actor of Sonic, I can't say that. So you Knuckles are...
Help, we can take
What's he doing? What's he doing?
You can help me and we can take him down together.
Okay, come on. Okay, let's go kill him and bully him. We have to kill them both. Okay, Knuckles. Okay, oh, car. Hey! No, where did he go? He steals lunch monies.
Look at this. He's back!
Hey.
You want to give me some of that sweet stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a joke for you. What's hard, long, and it has come in the middle?
What the hell?
What is it?
It's...
What is it?
What is it? Huh?
Tell me.
What is it? Tell us. Yes! He's not dirty-minded. But really, it's... Okay, I can't really say that because that's, yeah, I'm not that kind of YouTuber that says all those... Hey, so do you want to... You're made of cum. I just said it. Damn it! I have to cut that out. Oh, never mind, screw it. This
What?
I mean, the other episodes I made, they're for kids, but this ones I'm making, they're not for kids. They're for, like, adults or 14-year-olds or 13, I don't know. Yeah, so... You are ready. Get ready. What am I doing? Okay, so Knuckles.
Yes.
Shadow, why are you
I'm dancing. Find him, really. Alright, go down there then. Go down there.
Let's go. Go. Dip.
Did you make it?
Yep.
Oh no. Where'd it go?
Oh no, I think they're dead.
Oh, okay.
Oh, R.I.P. I guess it's two of us then.
I guess one of the main characters.
So, how are you enjoying the video? Is it good? Do you like it?
If it's not
Like?
good, then don't subscribe.
If it's good, then like the video. If it's not good, then dislike the video.
No, if it's
but
not
if you
good,
do that, you have no friends. Okay, that's sad. But okay. Look at the ball. Hey, kick ball. Wait, what? That ball. Oh, no. Okay. Come on, I can do this. The fuck. No. Ah! What the? Ah! I just dug myself.
I dug myself too.
Wait, what?
I'm you.
And I'm you.
Mario Odyssey does really well.
Mario Odyssey's real. I'm you. I'm in
Switch back.
I'm in Shadow's body. Okay, I switch back. Ah! Stop! Help. We can fight. Give me your money. Did he die? What? Oh, they're having a fight scene. Wait, what? They just dipped! Okay, so basically, someone and then a child. And I'm not telling you anything. I know the comments are going to be like, oh, tell us. No, I can't.
No, I can't.
Sorry.
It's just too bad.
It's a child that done it too. It's not anything
If you watched
sus.
my first vlog, you might remember this spot.
It's not anything sus, but it's something... We played basketball and then we hit... Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I might stop recording.
I
I might stop recording. I don't want to say this because the whole comments is gonna be like, tell me.
No, can't believe Tyler.
Oh, he just said it.
said it.
So some kid in our street, he vaped.
Maybe he didn't hear that. Maybe he didn't hear that.
He vaped.
Some 8
Because I didn't want the comments telling me like, tell me. I was like, no.
What are you doing? A YouTube channel.
Tyler.
Yeah, so I'm gonna end the video because I have to
Who's
have.
Tyler?
He's not coming out anymore.
What?
No one's allowed to play with him anymore.
So I'm gonna end the video of how sad I am. I know I was only.
Josh can't even, my friend Josh can't compare to how sad we are.
I know.
And he says he's sad.
So I'm gonna end the.
Not sad.
I'm just gonna end the video.
Bye.
3, 2, 1. Bye. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Bye. Like and subscribe. Okay. I'm just gonna. Yeah. Bye. Knuckles said bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.